Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can access your archived emails in Gmail. So first, when you're in Gmail, for example, I'm gonna archive this email right here. I'm gonna right click it and click archive. Okay, so it has been archived. Now what you wanna do to see it again is that you wanna go to your search bar. You wanna click on this filter settings right here, and then when you're here in the doesn't have, you want to type in label and then 2 dots space inbox. All right, and now for a date you want to just change it to whatever you want. For me, I'm gonna try to put it on 1 year and click search, and there you go. Here's the email that I just archived. So now you know how to see your own archived emails. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.